Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Wednesday. That means it's exam day. Okay, today we've got a lot to do on our exam. I'm not going to warm up your brain. So if you need to stop, warm up your brain, you do that, okay? Okay, for your exam, you need this page 133 and 134 on the back, okay? So if you don't have that paper, go get it, your pencil, your border. You will not need a ruler, okay? Okay, here we go. Now remember, part of your exam on Wednesdays is listening. Can you listen and follow directions? Today we have some thermometers, and they're going to be a little bit different. So what do I need to see if you can do? Can you listen carefully and follow the directions? Okay? Are you ready? Okay, listen carefully. Okay, now on your paper, you have two thermometers. Now these are a little bit different than what we've been looking at, because you look and you see before we had to go right up to the number 78, right up to that black line, right? But today we're going to show you how to count these. Okay? We're going to show you how to count them. And it's not really hard, right? We count these by twos. Look. See the thermometers down here? And I showed you this a little bit before. But if you see the little lines there. We count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right? 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, right? And that's how we count those thermometers. So if our first thermometer is set right here, up to that first line, okay? Your first thermometer there is right there. And okay, so how do we count that? We count 30, 32. Here would be 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48. That's how we count it. Easy sneezy, right? Okay, so now, here is our thermometer. Listen very, very carefully. Are you listening? Okay, our first thermometer, we count that, and it is at 32. Do you remember what we said 32 degrees was for? That's where water turns into ice cubes. Okay, now this one here, okay, you see how many degrees this one is? You read it? See if you now, here are the directions. Are you listening to the directions? Listen very, very carefully. The directions say, draw a circle around the thermometer that tells us, this one right here, which one of these thermometers tells us that it's cold? Which one tells us it's cold? So you draw a circle is around one of those thermometers, the one that tells us it is cold. Draw a circle around it. Okay? Now here we have two other thermometers. This thermometer here, this one here, it says, do you see that? Up in the 90s. Up in there, you see that? This thermometer is like a day where it's hot, 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 and you just want to go, Mommy, can we go to the playa? This thermometer is a day like Semana Santa. Okay? This thermometer is a day when it's raining. Semana Santa, rain, okay? Listening to the directions. Circle the thermometer that tells us it's kind of warm, but it's not hot, 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 okay? It's warm, but it's not hot. Now, you might think that when it's rainy, it's not hot, but it's not like sitting in your refrigerator, right? So, which one, if there's no snow, no penguinos, right? No snowmen. So which one of these tells it it's hot, but not hot, hot, hot? Okay, which one of those numbers? Okay, get that one? Okay, down here. You ready? A. Oops. 10 minus 4. B. 6 minus 4. C. 13 minus 4. D. 7 plus 4. E. 12 minus 4. And F. 9 plus 4. Okay. We have our story with the little piggies, okay? So you need to write your number sentence, right? Make sure you have all the parts to your number sentence, okay? Okay, so here we go. Listening? Here we go. It says, there were 2 clean pigs and 6 muddy pigs. 2 clean ones, 6 muddy pigs. How many pigs in all? How many? ¿Cuántos en todo? Okay? So make sure you make your number sentence. When you get your number here, make sure you put that number up in the box up there. We have 2 clean pigs and 6 muddy pigs. How many pigs in all? Ready for this side of your paper? Ready? We're going to count these, remember, like lempiras, right? You're going to count them just like lempiras. Okay? So here we go. These first ones, these are nickels. Nickels are the same as 5s. They're 5s. These are pennies. Pennies are the same as 1s. Okay? 5s and 1s. Okay? Down here we have 3 dimes. Remember, dimes are 10. Here is a nickel. A nickel is a 5. And we have 2 1s. 3 10s, 1 5s, 2 1s. Okay? This part's easy sneezy. Okay, now this part down here. Okay, ready? Put the hands on the clock to show the time. Now, remember what Miss Susan said about the clock. When you make your clock, okay, when you put your hands on the clock, are you listening carefully? Listen very carefully, because if you do this wrong, it's wrong. Okay? Good. Okay, so here's the belly button, right? Okay, you need 2 hands. If for your big hand, make sure it goes all the way through those numbers. Your little hand, wherever your little hand goes, it goes up to the numbers, but it does not go through it. Little hand, big hand. Okay, so we know which hand is which hand. If you make your hands like this, it will be wrong. Okay? Okay. Have fun.